Another quick tip for RSNA 2023. Let's talk about how to use the Meeting app. First, download the Meeting app RSNA 2023 from the Apple Store or Google Play. Log into your app using your RSNA username and password. You can reset your password if you need to. Once in the app, the main navigation is at the bottom. The two icons you'll use most often are Sessions and My Agenda. This is where you'll see all the programming and your schedule for the day. The app and the Meeting Central site online sync up in real time. You can build your agenda using the app or on Meeting Central. For the best experience, build your agenda online at Meeting Central from your desktop. To find sessions using the app, click on Sessions in the bottom navigation. Then use the search field at the top of the screen. To the right of the search field, there is a filter tool that will allow you to filter your search topic by session type, day, and more. Click on any session to view the session details. You can also search for speakers. Under the Explore section, click on the Speakers card and then select View Speaker List. On the Speaker Catalog page, search by the speaker's name. Click on the speaker to see their sessions and to read their disclosures. The Explore section is also where you can access technical exhibits, including industry presentations and the exhibit floor plan. Two other important resources under the Explore section are Meeting Guide and Virtual Access. The Meeting Guide includes many important RSNA 2023 meeting details and frequently asked questions. You will also find Virtual Access under the Explore section. If you have already registered for Virtual Access, click on the View Sessions. If you wish to add Virtual Access to your registration, click on Manage Registration. Now for the More section. More is where you'll find notifications, CME credit claim, case of the day, digital presentations, Peer Connect, daily bulletin, and more. One thing to note, some of the features in the More section open to a browser and might need you to log in. That's all for now. See you soon at RSNA 2023.